Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Murnane O'Connor and I'm your Carlow candidate. I was born here, I went to school here and I worked here in Carlow. Carlow is my priority and I am committed to working hard for the people of Carlow. I know your issues are housing, health, public transport and pensions. I care that childcare costs are expensive and insurances are rocketing. We are not getting value for our money in Carlow. I have been representing the farmers for good beef prices. We need to make sure that Carlow is not forgotten. I am your candidate. I can assure you that I will work hard, I will be dedicated and committed to you, the people of Carlow. Vote number 1, Jennifer Murnane O'Connor, your Carlow candidate on the 8th of February.